Trying to tell me just anything and shit like I'm a Ganoufi, huh? No, not C4. G. I ain't going for this shit, you know what I'm talking about? Motherfucker always talking that crazy ass shit to your boy like the boy is stupid and shit, man. I ain't going. Trying to take my chain, I ain't going. They gonna come and blow GI up, motherfucker. C4. Boom. Pow, pow, pow. Them niggas shoot, better duck, cause I ain't got a gun. Finna run. Hide on your ass, nigga. Playing hide and seek. Niggas trying to talk shit to a fucking G. I'm finna wash Amelia up. Yeah, that's my Mimi. Niggas talking shit. Get hit and they fucking me. She want the light now. See, I don't play that shit. Motherfucker gotta tell me where they going. I'm taking lights. I'm taking light bulbs. Yeah, where that come from? My motherfucking pocket. Motherfucker won't play games. I'm taking keys, all this shit. Yep, and I took the phone too. But won't play. Nigga, took the keys. Hold up. You get it when I tell you get it. And the remote. I said you get it when I tell you can get it. Well, you should have been open up your mouth. You run shit with a remote. You run shit by taking remotes from motherfuckers. Keys. And the light bulb. Ain't no light in that motherfucker. What you thought I was playing? But better stop playing with me, shit. I ain't playing. Do it look like I'm playing, motherfucker? Shit, motherfucker better stop playing with C4G.